Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an exciting parcel with FGNORMAL products to show you from FGNORMAL.com, and they have a fantastic sale on at the moment, so I'm getting this video out as quick as possible. I only received this parcel yesterday because at the moment on the site, when I looked this morning, there is 28% off site-wide. Wow, 28% off, that's over a quarter of your bill will be paid. That's wonderful. And yeah, if you spend over £39.99, you get a free blind box as well. So you know what I'm like about money off for free gifts. I thought I just had to come on and share that with you. So do go out and check out FG Normal. They have some fantastic products, and these are a couple of them that they've sent me to show you. They are brand new products that I've not seen before, and were new on the website when they asked me if I'd like some. So let's have a look and see what we got this time. So we have a little mystery parcel there with some rather large, they look like shoelaces, don't they? Stringy things in. And we have a box, and it's one of the lovely diamond painting boxes. I'm hoping that this is sort of the future going forward with posting the diamond painting sort of projects and things, because a lot of them are acrylic, and they can quite easily get bent. You know, postmen tend to put smaller packages through letterboxes and things, and heavy things get put on them in transit. So these boxes, I mean, it has got a little bit squished, but that's fine. If a box gets squished, that's no problem at all, because that's what it's doing. It's protecting what's inside. So yeah, 28% off though. Go and check that out. Wow, I know, that just blew me away when I saw that this morning. Oh, I'll have to tell everybody. You know me, I like to share. What shall we look at first? I'll keep the mystery till last. Let's have a look at this one. And I'm afraid there just might be Christmas, so it's probably another good reason to get them open as soon as possible as well. So yay. Okay, so let's have a look in this one. So we have, Pendant wax. That's a very see-through bag, a very nuclear one, isn't it? And it's all crystal. Oh, look, it's open at this end as well. I'm open at both ends, don't confuse me. Oh, all lovely Christmassy colours and specials. Yay. Have a look at those in a sec. And we have a wreath with a chain. Oh, and this one has actually got the lobster claw clasps on it. So there you are. Sometimes they come with the clasps on, sometimes they don't. But yeah, that's fine. And it's just like a standard link chain. It's a little bit shorter actually. But then I suppose we're a little bit smaller project. Look at that. Yay. So we have a cardinal. And I know we don't have cardinals in the UK. But yeah, I just saw this and it was just all the red berries on it that really made me think, right, I want that. And it's similar to like a heart shape as well. It hasn't sort of got the dip in the middle as such, but I thought it was just so pretty. And I would love to see can't even pick it up, look, I would love to see a cardinal in real life. But that is just gorgeous. Look at all the gems on it. I mean, it is practically full coverage. There's only sort of some of the edge bits that haven't got any gems on. This is just excellent. All these hanging down sort of berries and things on it as well. I just thought, oh, I love that. I just loved the colours, and I just thought, right, it's a smaller one, so it's going to go in a smaller space, but had a massive impact of colour in a small space. Hey, look at that. Oh, I just loved it. Again, there was quite a few in the series of these, so I'll put details down below. I'll put a screenshot on if I can find the screenshot of them all together, because there was a few different ones, but this was the one. As I said, I think it was the hanging things. The fact that it's a little bit of a heart shape, and then all the berries and the hanging sort of berries, or, well, to be honest, they look like, I don't know if you remember years ago on Christmas trees, you used to get strands of very small glass Christmas baubles on a string, and you used to hang them around your tree. It just reminds me of those. I know we did used to have them, but sadly, yeah, a lot of them got broken, and obviously with children now, it's probably not wise to have small glass things lying around. Yeah, but it's just absolutely stunning. Let's give it a quick measure. As I say, it is a little bit smaller one, but I want it to go in a little bit smaller space. So we are 7¼ inches, which is about 18.5 centimetres. and lengthwise to the longest point it's 8 inches 20 centimetres. So yeah, good size. But look at all these colours. Yeah, I know I always say it, but I am a red, green and gold Christmassy girl. Although I am branching out, I have got different colours and different things at the moment. So yeah, watch this space. Oh, look at these colours, and they're all so bright and clear as well. So we have a couple of different reds. Yeah, that's 6 and 7, so they are different reds. They look more or less the same in the camera, but they are actually the same, different colours. They are actually the same colour. Let's get your brain in gear. We've got a little bit of black, which will be for around our little birdie's face. And then we've got the Christmassy green and gold. A little bit of brown, which will be for his legs. And then a bit darker brown, which is probably for the little tree bit he's stood on. And then look, we've got specials. So we've got a larger round red and a bit larger round red and then a huge round red. So these are going to be all the hanging berries and all the berries on the like ferns and pine cones and things round about. And then we have another red, a little bit of silver, a limey green, a nice fresh grassy green and a dark green. So actually there's going to be quite a bit of depth in the shading on this one, because we've got 4 different greens to go on it, and we've also got 3 different reds, 3 different reds, and then the 3 larger reds as well. So you know, it's been charted really well, and I just think it's going to have quite an impact. So this is a definite on the must-do list. And the price of this one at the moment is £7.99, but don't forget 28% off. Obviously, if you're watching this video in a couple of weeks' time or whatever, the offers may have changed. This is like a Black Friday deal that they've put on. I know it's Monday today, but it was Black Friday weekend, I think. It is still showing on the website. So yeah, obviously just check for your shipping and what offers and things apply to where you live. But yeah, excellent. So that's that one. Pop you over there a second and let's have a look at this. So this is something new that I'd not seen before, and it says winter hanging. So it's something that's going to hang, sort of. Oh, and it's definitely encased, look. So, oh, it's all wrapped up round. I'm intrigued. Okay. Oh, we've got little plastic bits, look, as well. Oh, okay. So let's take out our pen, boat and wax, our standard little kit there. We've got some little, I think they're just double-sided like sticky foam pads, about 1 millimetre thick, quite a largish size there. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these like little plastic finishing off ends. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 long, well, they do look like shoelaces, to be honest, but they're like quite a thickish string. Okay. And then we have, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4 little gonks. Okay. So this is intriguing. I may have to go onto the website and have a look how to put these together. But they are, so the curtain tiebacks. So if you're wanting something for Christmas, we've got our drills as well. We'll have a look at those in a second. So if you're wanting something for Christmas to put around your curtains, you know, if you've got all Christmassy stuff and then you've just got your plain tiebacks on your curtains, then that's what these are for. Now then, I am thinking that you will put the sticker on the back of your little gonk, and then your string is probably going to sit on there, so that keeps that on there. And then I'm thinking these thread through here. Let me just see. I think it's going to be difficult to do. I need a pokey tool. Just see if I can get that through there. Oh, tweezers will do. Grab me trusty tweezers. Grab me trusty trusty tweezers. Oh my goodness. And now then, how does that work then? Unless it goes through, maybe it goes through the other way. Unless that end then goes through that way there. I'll have to have a look on the website and see how these work. But basically they become, unless you can get both, you can maybe get both through. Yeah, I'm thinking possibly both bits of string will go through there. And then you'll end up with your loop round your curtain with your little gonk on. I mean, they'd be great fun for kids' bedrooms, wouldn't they? So yeah, but I just thought, oh, I've not seen these before. So you've got a set of 4 of them, so you could actually put 2 on each curtain if you wanted to. There's nothing to stop you. Looks like we've got we've got three men and 1 lady, so there's nothing to stop you putting 2 on 1 if you wanted to, or 1 higher up. But yeah, I just thought, brilliant idea. I like these. And you could actually use them as well as like napkin rings on your table. You know, you could, I know I'm showing this, but you know, you've got your little sticky pad there, so your string's on the back, and you could just tie that around your napkin so everybody's got a little gonk. And you could even put somebody's little name on it, couldn't you? Just attach a little name tag or something to it, or attach it to the string so people know where they're sat. Yeah, lots of ideas. Something with a string and something that fastens around. Endless possibilities. So they're actually described as a winter hanging drapes rope, full diamond pendant. So yeah, very, very impressed with these as well. Look. So let's have a little bit closer look at these gonks. So we have a lovely little red one, well, red hat, and he's got a little Christmas tree, and he's holding a little parcel to go under the Christmas tree. So he's quite square. He's got a very crumpled up hat there. Looks like he might have some snowflakes on his hat. Yeah, I think he has, because it looks like we've got some A crystals there, which are probably the silver ones. Yeah, for the white and everything. So yeah, it looks like he's got a couple of snowflakes on his hat, and some little baubles on his tree, and a little string on his tree. Lovely. And then we've got a little bit bigger gnome. He's got a massive beard. Look at that one. And he's got a buckle on his hat. So I think he's possibly in charge. Somebody with a beard like that has quite possibly got to be in charge, haven't they? And yeah, nice buckle on his hat, and it curls round. Looks, yeah, the way he's stood, he looks quite authoritarian, doesn't he? And then, oops, can't pick it up. This is a lady gonk, look, because she's got her pigtails there, and she's got a black and green hat on. And to be honest, she does look a bit fed up, doesn't she? She's got her arms by her side, and she's like, yeah, what are these 3 up to this time? And then I think this one's my favourite. Look, he's got a little stocking with a candy cane in it and some little presents coming out, and he's got little gloves on. Look, he's got little red gloves. Now then, the A's on this are going to be silver for the edges of his gloves, the same as his beard, so, and the same as the top there on the little stocking. So I'm thinking I might put those as ABs, Aurora Borealis gems, just so that they look a little bit different, rather than them being crystal and they'll just all blend in with his beard. We want them to stand out a little bit, because it's the details. So it's the top of the stocking and his little edges of his gloves. So yeah, we want to see those. So I will put those in a different gem. They're very, very fine as well, these. They're an acrylic, but they're a very fine acrylic. So there's not much weight to them at all. So to just stick on there, I would possibly, to be fair, use probably your glue gun if you've got one, just to stick that onto the back there if you're going to use it. And I will work out how to use those properly. As I say, there's like a hole there and a hole at that side, which makes me suspect it's like a, you know, a pulley, so that when you pull it, it's like a brake on it. So possibly they don't go through that way. Not sure, but I will check it out. If there's a picture of them on the website, I will show that as well, so that you can see how they go. And these were just £4.99. And I just think for the value, I mean, even if you just used them as decorations and didn't use them as your curtain tiebacks, you've got some great pieces of rope for other crafts and things like that. You could hang Christmas cards or whatever from those, couldn't you? Oh, as I say, they look like shoelaces to me. Let me just put this back away, otherwise I'm going to stab myself, and you don't want to see that on camera. It's not a good look. But yeah, aren't they fun? Right, let's have a look at what gems we got in these. Oh, we've got a hot pink. Where's the pink then? Oh, look. That's letter U. Okay, everybody look for letter U. Where is the letter U? Oh, it's there. Oh, it's on my favourite gnome. Oh, that's fantastic. So his hat is actually, it's not red and black. It's a hot pink on it as well. Yay. Oh, that's wonderful. Imagine that. My favourite gnome has got hot pink on it. Oh, that's fantastic. So we have got a lovely silver, very, very clear. I like it when you see them clear. Your standard black, a lovely lime green, a very Christmassy deep red, a little bit of pale pink and a lovely hot pink, yay! And then we've got a Christmassy green and a Christmassy gold. So yeah, I mean, it's something if you're just wanting to add that extra bit of decoration in your room, but I will be finding somewhere to put the, well, we have curtains upstairs, actually, that's an idea. I know when my friend came to stay the other weekend, she said everything in this bedroom is looking at me. That's in the spare bedroom because we've got quite a few things up on the wall in there, and I've got a few of my old soft toys and things, so I could put these on the curtains, and then she's being watched from the curtains as well. She'll be saying, I'm not coming to stay with you anymore. Oh dear, but I just think they're really good fun, and as I say, a new product that's come out. I'm just so loving all the new stuff that's coming out at the moment. It's brilliant. So a huge thank you, FG Normal. A little bit shorter video because I don't want to waffle on for hours and then you miss the deadline. I do want to try and get this video up tonight if I can, so that you can get your bits and pieces ordered if you're wanting to save that money. So yeah, 28% off, excellent. And I keep saying it, but I just yeah, I didn't get a huge amount in the Black Friday sales, but I'm very tempted when people say things like that amount off, and if you spend over $39.99 get a free blind box as well. Yay. Okay, well, as I say, huge thank you FG Normal for sending me that. I do love them. I think they're absolutely brilliant. Just the expressions that you can get from not even having eyes and a mouth from gonks just amazes me. And this is just going to be stunning. It was all the red on it that attracted me. And yeah, it just had to come to Hull. What can I say? Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you would like to come back and join our little family and see what we get up to next and see where the gnomes actually go, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and then an all notifications bell pops up, if you click on that, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.